3, 2, 1.
Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you are watching this video. Welcome to Money Coin Apps and Airdrops. Just in case this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel or my video on YouTube, please do subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell notification icon so you will always be the first to receive updates whenever I upload new video to this channel. Today I will be teaching us how to participate on Xverge airdrop, which began just a few days back. So the earlier you start mining this coin, it's an automatic mining, and which is supported by Binance, and you can use your trust wallet. So in this video I'll be teaching you how to mine Verge coin using trust wallet and Binance wallet. So the first thing I'll do, I'll go to my trust wallet. Now when I come to my trust wallet, the first thing I'll do, I'll come to add token. This is where we have the add token. I'll click on that place, on this place. Then what I'll do next, I'll click on this plus here. I'll click on that plus. Now what I'll do, I'll change the network, which is to Binance, remove it from Ethereum, and put it on Binance Smart Chain. So the contract address, I'll put the contract address here. I'll paste it. I already have my contract address. Now it will automatically brings out the name Verge, symbol XVG, and decimal 18. Then I will save it. I'll just click here to save. So what I'll do next, I'll go to my Binance. I'm going to use Binance for this tutorial. When I open my Binance wallet, the next thing I'll do, I'll come to wallet. I'll click on wallet. The next thing, I'll come to spot, where we have spot here at the top. I'll click on it. Now the next thing I'll do, I'll come to this search bar. I'll search for Verge. So if you search for the Verge, you can't get it. Just put XVG, then it will bring you. That's the abbreviation SVG. It will show here. So when it show, click on it. Then the next thing we do, we click on deposit. When we click on deposits, we click on Verge, as you can see. Now it brings us our address and QR code. But what I'll do, I'll copy the address. I'll click there, click on copy. Now I'll go to my web browser where I've opened their website. I'll be dropping the link below for this website so you can use it. Now that's wallet address which I copy from Binance or from Trust Wallet. So if you're using Trust Wallet, what you should do, you come to your Trust Wallet, you click on receive. This is where we have receive. When you click on it, it will display your receiving wallet address, which is this. But to copy it, you will just click on this place here where you see copy. Now you can copy it. So let me go back to the browser. Now my wallet address which I've copied, either you're using Trust Wallet or you're using Binance, you just paste it here. And when you paste it, it will automatically start counting. As you can see here, it's counting already. I did my yesterday. That's why the counting has gone that far. So if you're watching this video, you're starting, yours will start counting, not from this current figure. So when you put your wallet address there, the next thing you do, you click on connect. Now you have to connect it. It will take a few seconds to load. Now it says success connect address. So it will bring you to your dashboard. This is my dashboard. Now this is how you can access your dashboard. Now, for example, somebody may say, I don't have login. It doesn't request login. Your login information is your wallet address. As long as you've registered, when you come to the website, just paste your wallet address there. It will bring you to your dashboard. And now, if you have to refer other persons to join, what you should just do, you come to this place and click on copy. You copy this address and your referral and code. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. If this video it's been helpful to you, do share with your friends and loved ones. I remain your friend Desmond on Money Coin Apps and Airdrop. Do have a wonderful week and bye for now.